I'm starting to get hungry, so I am going to make a tinfoil dinner. Little salt, pepper, little pork jowl bacon on there, green onion, and a whole bunch of cilantro. If you're doing this at home, use Italian sausage or kielbasa instead of bratwurst, and it's even better. But hey, you know, use what you got. Alrighty. Oh, I think the rain eased up. I'm gonna make a fire. I better do it now. There you go. Oh, it's smelling like it's ready. Oh, that sweet potato is so good. Oh, that was good.